Hello everyone. Mm, Welcome to this video series on Java Lab. So in this video, we are going to see a demo of the second lab program, which should cover the data types, variables, operators, arrays, and control structures. So we should know that it is not possible to demonstrate everything in a single program. Okay, so if you take operators, we have so many operators, and we can't demonstrate all those things. Similarly, if you take control structures, we can't demonstrate all those things in a single program. I mean, uh, I don't exactly want to say that you can't, but if you want to demonstrate, it will become a very lengthy program. Okay, so you will get a very big program. So what I am going to do is, in the program, I am going to create an array, read the values into the array using a loop, and then simply print the sum of those values to the output. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Mm, So here is the JDoodle interface. So the program to read values into an array and print the sum of values, right? Okay. So you can write the import java.util.scanner, and as usual public class, maybe array demo. Okay, main method public static void main args array, and okay, so create the object for scanner class. Scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in, right? Okay, now for storing the values into an array, you have to first of all create an array int a equal to new int. So let's say we want to store five values. So I am giving five. Okay. Now let's use a for loop and read the values from the keyboard for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So you can write a of I equal to. So how do you read the values from keyboard, integer values? You already know that by writing import dot next int. That's all. So this simple for loop is going to read all the five values into the array A. So this line is going to execute five times. So it is like A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, total five values. Okay, so next, after reading, you can print the values. Mm, so again, you can write for loop, or instead of this, I am going to write for each loop. So before that, I am going to declare a sum variable, initialize it to 0. Now I will write the for each loop. For, let's say, int I in the array A. So what we will do here is sum plus equal to I. Okay. So what is this plus equal to? Plus equal to is called a shorthand operator. So if you have watched the theory video, there in the video I have told you that these are shorthand operators. So this line is same as writing sum equal to sum plus I. Both are same. Sum equal to sum plus I, or if you say sum plus equal to I, both are same. So this is like a shortcut for this. That's why these operators are called as shorthand operators. Okay. So what we are doing in this statement is we are taking each value from the array into I and we are adding that to the variable sum. Now here you can print the value of the sum, system dot out dot println sum of values in array equal to plus sum. That's all. Okay. So let's give some values here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's execute. Yes, sum of the values in array equal to 15. Correct, right? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Or let's change these values to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Execute. Yes, sum of values in array equal to 5. Okay. So we demonstrated so many things in this, right? So we have demonstrated data types here, int, yes. We have demonstrated variables. So where are the variables? So I is a variable. This array can also be called as a variable. Okay. This sum is a variable. Those are the variables in this program. Fine. And next, operators. What operators we have used? We have used assignment operator equal to. We have used relational operator less than. We have used arithmetic operator plus plus, and we have used the shorthand arithmetic operator plus equal to, right? Okay. And we have used what we have used some control statements. So the control statements I have used is for and for each. Okay. And finally we have used arrays. So this single program, small program, demonstrates all these concepts. Okay, I hope it is clear for all of you. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.